Cucumbers are an essential summer vegetable, and one that is easy to grow and extremely productive, even in containers. You don't need a big garden to grow cucumbers. Just give them sunshine and consistent moisture and enjoy a bumper crop of crisp fruits all summer long. Plus, cucumbers grown in pots typically have fewer issues with pests and diseases, so planting in containers can actually reduce potential problems. Are you ready to learn how to grow cucumbers in a container garden? The best containers for growing cucumbers. Picking the right container to grow cucumbers is the first step to a successful harvest. The container should hold at least 5 to 7 gallons of potting mix and have good drainage. Bigger is better as a larger volume of soil holds more water, but is also heavier and less prone to tipping over. Bush-type cucumbers can also be grown in hanging baskets, but again, opt for a large-sized basket that is at least 12 to 14 inches in diameter. Best soil for container cucumbers. Cucumber vines are heavy feeders and grow best when planted in a growing medium that is lightweight but rich in organic matter. Avoid using garden soil, which is very heavy. I combine a high-quality potting mix, often called potting soil, with compost in a 50-50 ratio for my container cucumbers. When to plant cucumbers in containers. Cucumbers are heat-loving vegetables and shouldn't be planted outdoors until the soil temperature is at least 60 Fahrenheit. This is usually 1 to 2 weeks after the last spring frost. Don't try and rush cucumbers into containers too early, as they'll be prone to cold or frost damage. How to grow cucumbers in a container garden, seeds or transplants. I'm often asked if cucumber seeds should be directly sown outdoors or whether they need to be started inside to give the plants a head start on the season. Cucumbers generally don't like root disturbance and can be difficult to transplant. For that reason, they are frequently directly sown in containers as well as garden beds. To sow cucumber seeds in a container, plant 2 seeds per pot, pushing them about 1/2 inch deep. Water well and keep the soil consistently moist until the seeds germinate. Depending on the cucumber variety and the size of the container, you will likely need to remove all but one plant once they are growing well. Trellises. There are many types of trellises that can be used to grow cucumbers vertically. They are frequently made from wire or wood and can be purchased. Pea and bean netting is another popular material for supporting vining cucumbers. If growing in planters or containers on a deck, balcony or patio, the netting can be hung from a railing, wall or other structure. Watering container cucumbers. Cucumbers need a consistent supply of water to produce the highest quality fruits. If plants are water-stressed and allowed to wilt in between waterings, the fruits can turn bitter. Container-grown vegetables need to be watered more often than in-ground plants, so keep a close eye on moisture levels and water when the soil feels dry to the touch. Fertilizing container cucumbers. Because cucumbers are heavy feeders, I add a slow-release organic fertilizer to the potting mix at planting time. This provides a steady feed throughout the growing season. To supplement this, I also use a diluted liquid kelp fertilizer or compost tea every 3 to 4 weeks. How to harvest cucumbers in containers. Cucumbers are best harvested when the fruits are slightly immature and at the peak of quality. Once pollination has occurred, it takes 5 to 10 days, depending on the variety, for the female flower to become a fruit. Fruit size varies from variety to variety, with some ready to pick when just 2 inches in length and others when they're a foot long, so read the seed packet for specific harvest information. I hope you like this information. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends and family.